remember when I was here last time, the rice was just planted and now it's growing so fast. So that's why it's possible that there is a 3 harvests a year. Today I have a plan to go trying to find out where is that road I see from in the mountains. There is one road which goes from the summit I'm going up down. And this is a conjunction where I'm pretty sure the road starts. All right, let's try it out. The road gonna be really bad. But that's mostly for all the mountain roads, that's just normal. And at the moment it's still really good. We'll see how it will be later. This is a time when there is a lot of landslides in the mountains, but on the other side it actually freed up a really nice scenic view. Look at that. Now I'm actually absolutely sure that that's the road I've been looking for, because now I start to recognize the places. That's the summit I was walking up with Elliot. Isn't it incredible? What a view! Yeah. So, and on that side there is the Lahangan suite. So this is another road how to get up to the Lahangan suite. Probably even better one. I will try to go up to the Lahangan suite using the trail I always wanted to try. So let's do it. Selamat siang. Siang. This place I've been already. Just I came from another side. I didn't drive, but I just woke up. I hiked up, and in this place we ate pancakes with Elliot many episodes ago. I don't know why didn't you like that episode. It was kind of cool. Now you tell me. Yeah. Now it's time to leave a motorbike and walk up. It looks like really close to the summit, and there is a really solid trail. Really nice trail. I'm on a wrong place. I've been walking around the mountain while actually the summit is way up there. Hello girls. Last sprint and I will be there. Very close. I remember when I did the last time, I thought I will die. It took me so long to get up there. Now I'm feeling way stronger. Yep, easy peasy. But it's really humid. Young people hunting romantic. You know, this year been really actually interesting. It made us look at the things from the different perspective. I've been talking about this, and just this place makes me think about the same stuff again. We put all the world on a pause. We all hanging in the air and waiting for something. I cannot really say you anything new, but I don't know, for maybe 80 or maybe even more % of all the world population, it didn't change anything. Believe me, for the people in Africa, in almost all Africa, it didn't change absolutely anything. Absolutely. Here in Bali, yes, because we are so affected by tourism, and of course, but I'm coming here, and for these people who are absolutely, they are kind of not connected to the tourism, right? So I mean, they are not farmers who's delivering the veggies and meat to all these big hotels. They live the life, they're living the life, and they will live the life same as it was before. And so that makes me think about how I can apply to myself that I'm not affected by all these things anymore. How to organize my job in the future. These people living, and they're feeling maybe poor, but they are more happy, I think, than any one of us. When they're going down to the village, then they see the different life, but otherwise it's we always comparing the things, and all the trouble starts when we start comparing the things. It's a time to change our thinking and become maybe a little bit more humble about all these material things, and live and focus on really important things like family, about the condition of your nerves. And actually we're creating this stress for ourselves. We always have a choice to go away from it. We want to be the same as these famous people on the TV and the internet, and that's why we're putting ourselves in this stress constantly, trying to reach the same goals what these people have, which is completely wrong. Beautiful place, just covered in the clouds at the moment. If you're looking, this is not the fog, this is the clouds, because I'm about 750 meters above the sea level. That's approximately the direction where my motorbike is. If you want to see how the durian is growing, them on, so then they are not falling down. There are so many durian trees here. All this water is going to the waterfall I did hiking. This one. I found the waterfall! Isn't it amazing? Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.